Today we're going to see how to make rich gourd stew. It's a coconut milk and creamy and sweet, spicy. It's so good, friends. Welcome to the channel. Food is a God gift. This is your channel. It's a variety of a global cuisine. We love to make all type of dishes in detail and just for you, friends. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and click that red button and the bell button to get everyday notification new recipes. So friend, this rich gourd is extremely rich in dietary fiber, reduce constipation, help in weight reduction, rich in beta carotene, boost your immunity and remove dead skin cell and beneficial for your skin. Friends, this is huge benefit of a rich gourd, so please consume in your daily diet to get all that nutritious benefit to your health. To make this rich gourd stew, we need about 4 cup rich gourd that I am showing how I slice this rich gourd, friends. So first I peel the skin, and the skin part we can always use to make rich gourd chutney. So friends, please check the description box below to get the link how to make rich gourd chutney. So I'm just given thin slice to this rich gourd. So it's about 4 cups sliced rich gourd, onion, garlic, ginger, green chili for tempering, and that's it, friend. This is pretty simple. And 2 tablespoons coconut milk, friends. So the coconut milk is optional. You always can avoid to have this coconut milk, but when you have this coconut milk, it's really give nice creamy flavor to our stew. So in the pan I just add the oil and I'm just add all the tempering. So once it starts splattering, I'm adding the curry leaf and cut onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Give a nice saute and let it saute for 1 minute. And now adding the rich gourd. It's really fast and quick, but it's really good for your health. So please add in your diet so you can get all that good benefit from this rich gourd. It's an awesome vegetable and I always recommend it. You can have at least once or twice a week. So I just put the lid, and now you see it's breaking the water. This is our stew gravy. I'm just adding that 2 tablespoons coconut milk. It's optional, but when you add the coconut milk, it's like nice, give a creamy rich flavor to our stew. So I just added chopped coriander leaf. That's it, friend. This is ready. This give a taste. It's so good. It's little bit sweet, spicy, and the richness from the coconut, friends. It's so delicious. It's simple and you always can make it. No time, friends. This stew is so good with the steamed rice, dosa and chapati, friends. This is simple and easy. So friends, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Before you go, please subscribe our channel to get notification every day, and don't forget to click that bell button. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.